Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft is once again doing what it promised. Pavan Dovaluri has announced that in a few weeks' time, our Windows Insider program is going to change. So right now, the Windows Insider program has way too many channels and way too many things that are just crazy. What they are going to do is, so we have release preview, we have the beta, the dev, we have the Canary split in two. So release preview, beta, dev, plus the two others, that's 5 channels. And it's kind of confusing. You don't know what does what, and so many times you have nothing. So they are going to simplify. What will be left is release preview to test the monthly updates. Beta will be testing the features coming up soon to everybody. And the good news about beta is that there won't be any controlled feature release. If there's a new feature, it will be there. And that's it for everybody. So that's the good news for the beta side. And Dev, Canary are going to be merged into experimental. And that means that if you go to experimental, all of these new features they're trying to test, well, there'll be a new panel that will let you turn on or off features to see what they look like. So you'll have, in effect, all the latest features, and there'll be you'll be testing things in the future. So features that might not make it at some point. So this is a welcome change, actually, because it does simplify somewhat the structure. So basically, you can go to release preview, test the monthly updates, beta, test the new features that will come in the near future to everyone, or experimental, test the future of Windows with some of the features coming later on, or maybe not. So the change is coming to PCs in a few weeks. The other good news is that right now, if you were on, say, Canary, wanted to get out, you had to do a clean install of Windows. And you couldn't really go between, if you were on Canary, you decided you want to go back down to beta, you couldn't really change. Now, with the new way that the core of the Insider Windows program is going to be done, you are going to be able to change to whatever channel you want at any time. And whatever channel you'll be on, you'll be able to get out of the Insider program without having to reinstall. So this is really good news, and this is really an improvement for the Windows Insider program coming forward. So this is apparently coming up in a few weeks. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.